Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. A certain transverse sinusoidal wave of wavelength 20 cm is moving in the positive x direction. ठीक है, कहाँ मूव कर रही है? It is moving in the positive x direction. The transverse velocity of the particle at x equals to 0 as a function of time it is shown. Then क्या फाइंड करना है हमें? The amplitude of the motion is how much? हमें बेसिकली एम्पलीट्यूड फाइंड करना है. ठीक है. So here what we have been given is say I will draw the equal figure for you once again. ठीक है. So ये कहाँ मूव कर रही थी? ओनली इट इज मूविंग इन दी पॉजिटिव x direction. ठीक है. This is the point at x equals to 0 and ये क्या दिया गया है हमको? x और y एक्सिस पे this is the velocity to time graph. ठीक है. Now from the graph we can say that maximum velocity is 5. देखो यहाँ पे पीक पे आ रहा है. ठीक है. So maximum velocity will be 5 centimeter per second. Okay. And after 4 seconds, देखो 4 सेकंड के बाद it executes the same behavior. So again from here the pattern will start like this, correct? So basically it will start executing the same behavior after 4 seconds. So the time period of the particle is time period is 4 second. ठीक है. Therefore maximum velocity पता है हमें कितनी है. Therefore v max it is 5 centimeter per second and time t हमें पता है कितना है? 4 seconds. ठीक है. Now we know that what is the formula for v max? V max is nothing but omega a, right? And the value of t can be given as 2 pi upon omega, correct? Therefore देखो v max का वैल्यू कितना है? 5. तो यहाँ पे 5 रख देंगे और यहाँ से if we calculate the value of omega, omega is nothing but pi by 2 because 2 और 4 नीचे आएगा, 2 और 4 कट हो जाएगा तो pi by 2 बचेगा. So 5 is equal to pi by 2 into amplitude A. Therefore what will be the value of amplitude? It is nothing but 10 upon pi centimeter. That is our final answer. So let us have a look at the options. So the option number C, that is 10 by pi centimeter, is the final solution. So I hope you all have understood the solution. All the best.